Imagine waking up to the soothing sounds of nature and vibrant hues of lush greenery surrounding your home. If that sounds like a paradise to you, you are in for a treat. Welcome to MBTV. I am Tanu, and for today's project review, we are diving into Fortune Green Homes Sapphire in Tellapur, Hyderabad. But before we jump in, let me remind you to show some love and support to MBTV. Hit that subscribe button, tap on the bell icon so you never miss an update on real estate. Spread across 8.5 acres of lush greenery, this project offers premium 2 and 3 BHK homes complemented by the convenience of 2 well-equipped clubhouses. The development seamlessly blends nature with luxury, offering residents a peaceful retreat amidst the vibrant energy of Tellapur. Possession is expected by February 2027, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a balance of tranquility and urban living. Before delving deeper into the project specification, let's first acquaint ourselves with the developer in order to gain insight into their priorities. Fortune Green Homes is a well-established real estate brand in Hyderabad, known for delivering quality projects. With 2 completed projects and 8 more currently under construction, the builder continues to expand its presence, offering promising developments across the city. Let's talk about the amenities you'll find at Sapphire. The project offers 2 distinct clubhouses spread across 33,418 square feet, featuring essential conveniences like a supermarket, health clinic, pharmacy, ATM, and dedicated spaces for yoga and meditation. There's also a swimming pool with a separate section for kids. Additionally, you'll enjoy premium facilities such as banquet hall, spa, and salon designed to enhance your lifestyle. Let's now explore the unit plans. The developer offers configurations for both 2 and 3 BHK apartments. The 2 BHK unit features build-up areas ranging from 1,033 square feet to 1,421 square feet, while the 3 BHK units are available in sizes between 1,305 square feet to 1,710 square feet. The 3 BHK layout includes a spacious living drawing room, a well-appointed kitchen, a children's room, a guest room, a master bedroom, 3 attached washrooms, and a dedicated dining area, offering generous space for a comfortable living experience. The pricing for these homes starts at 77.1 lakh for 2 BHK apartments, while 3 BHK units are available from 1.02 crore onwards, offering options that suit varying preferences and budgets. The average price in the Tellapur area is approximately 7,368 per square foot. A 2 BHK apartment in this locality is priced around 76 lakhs, while a 3 BHK unit starts from 96 lakh onwards. This property can be compared to My Home Avali, located just 2.2 kilometers from the project site, offering both 2 and 3 BHK configurations. In comparison, a 3 BHK unit at My Home Avali is priced at 2.4 crore as shown in the table. As you can see, Sapphire by Fortune Green Home offers competitive pricing. However, we recommend reaching out to the developer directly for the most up-to-date pricing information, as rates may fluctuate over time. Now, coming to the location and connectivity of this project, Tellapur is an upcoming premium residential locality of Hyderabad, growing due to its strategic location alongside Outer Ring Road and other IT hubs such as Gachibowli and High Tech City. Hafizpet railway station is conveniently located just 11 kilometers from the project site, while Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is approximately 37.5 kilometers away, ensuring ease of connectivity for the residents. The project is surrounded by essential amenities, ensuring residents have everything they need within close reach. Families can benefit from proximity to well-known schools like Glendale International School, just 850 meters away, and Manthan International School, 3 kilometers away, providing quality education options nearby. For higher education, colleges such as St. Xavier's PG College and Sridevi Women's Engineering College are just a short drive away. When it comes to healthcare, hospitals like Citizens Specialty Hospital and Aksha hospitals are within a 5-kilometer radius, ensuring quick access to medical care. Additionally, shopping malls like Aparna Neo Mall and employment hubs including Vamsiram Jyoti Tech Park and L&T Phoenix are conveniently accessible, making this location ideal for modern living. Tellapur, while rapidly developing as a residential hub, still faces some typical infrastructural challenges commonly associated with any developing area. Residents have expressed concerns over sewage treatment and frequent power cuts. Although these issues are significant, they are likely to be resolved as development of the area progresses. So this was the most honest and accurate review of this project. At Magic Bricks, we are committed to deliver the most precise and reliable information, which is why we are the most trusted real estate channel. Stay tuned for more such reviews. This is me, Tanu Sadana, signing off with camera person Tarak. See you in the next review.